Y'all, I think I did that whole thing with my mic off. So if I did, it'd be a process video afterwards. But here is our week 37 with our Margaret Miller challenge. It is a train, plane, or automobile, a decorative napkin, something found in the mountains, a dictionary page, an interesting building, and a paperclip or brad. So here's my decorated napkin. There's my plane, my automobile. I said something found in a mountain. I figured a tree. A dictionary page is this medical dictionary with insomnia behind it. Interesting building is this smart house. It is a solar smart house. Not only is everything ran off by solar, but inside has all those smart appliances and internet stuff and everything. And the line, all that doesn't even look real. And then a paperclip or brad. And I said, look, Miss Cheryl, that's one of our dead kitties you sent me. Don't look dead. He looks all good and healthy right there. So his little crooked toe-up brad fit real good right there. Okay, that is our week 37. And I put keep calm and carry on across it. So there we have it. And this fits right behind him and up under his leg. Like that. To hold it. So there we go. All right. Bye. See y'all on the next go round.